Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can voice call on Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please subscribe to the channel and then please press on the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, to do a audio call on Instagram, what you need to do, make sure to update your Instagram app from Google Play Store or App Store. And after doing this, what you need to do here, after updating, just go to the go to the message icon on the top right corner, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So now you can just choose anyone, and then here you can see on the top there is an call icon. Simply you need to click on it, and then it will go call. Okay, it will go an outgoing call. Just hold on, the network is not that good. Let me just show you. Here you can see it's contacting, the call is outgoing. So this is how you can do a voice call on Instagram. Thanks for watching.